Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check that you run Windows 10 build 1809 or newer, or Windows 11, because DirectX 12 is tied to the OS. Next, verify your GPU model supports DirectX 12 feature level. You'll need the exact driver name. Once done, open Windows Update and install all pending updates, then create a system restore point. Finally, download the latest GPU driver from the manufacturer. Prepare to install it immediately after rebooting. Now install the GPU driver. Run the vendor package as administrator and select a clean install or factory reset option if offered. This removes legacy driver conflicts. While that installs, open Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Optional Features and add graphics tools to ensure the DirectX runtime utilities and debugging tools are present. Once the driver finishes, reboot immediately so the kernel-level driver binds correctly. After reboot, run dxdiag to confirm DirectX 12 is listed and note the feature level. Finish by validating. Run dxdiag and check the display tab for DirectX 12 and the reported feature level. Also open your GPU control panel to confirm driver version. Then launch a DirectX 12 title or benchmark to confirm functionality and stability. If something fails, boot to safe mode and use the to fully remove drivers, then reinstall the latest package. Alternatively, revert to the restore point you made earlier. Make sure to update BIOS only if GPU issues persist. Do that last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.